Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, I'm going to tell you how exactly to detect the pedestrians in a video feed. In the previous session, I mean couple of sessions earlier, I have shown you how to detect the pedestrians from a still image. It was easy. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use the same principle, but we are going to detect the pedestrians on a video feed. It is much more easier as well. So I'm going to tell you that step by step, and I hope you will definitely understand and you will like it. As usual, we need to go ahead with understanding what is the fundamental of it and which video we are going to take for it. I'm going to take up a video where there are a lot of pedestrians walking, and I'm going to show you that video right now, and that video will be processed and we will be able to get the pedestrians out of this detected clearly. This is the video feed that I'm gonna process. That's it. That's the first part of it that we need to understand. Now what is the second part of it? We need to import the necessary things that I have already told you. We need to import CV2, and we are going to use something called as HOG, which is nothing but histogram of oriented gradients, and linear SVM model, which is all pre-trained and which is already available. Now what do? We is we use HOG descriptor and we use set SVM detector, where we have got cv2 dot hog descriptor underscore get default people detector. These two are very important, and I am going to use these two as the most important component in the code. And then the next line, where I'm highlighting right now, we read the video feed through cv2.video capture, and pedes.mp4 is the file that I have opened just now for your reference, and that's the file that we are going to process. Now what do? We are processing it and we have read the file, and if the file is opened right, we will get a return and we will get the image frame started to image frame will be acquired. Now what do? We need to resize it. We cannot take it up as such, right? So we are going to resize, and what do we need there? We need IMutils. So you need to install IMutils if you are not having it already in your machine. With pip3 install IMutils, and it will take seconds to install, and we can resize, which is a method available inside IMutils package, where can specify clearly the width, the image shape, everything, and it's a resizing function. Now what do? We are going to detect the pedestrians in the video, and we are going to use hog.detect multiscale. And what are the arguments that are to be passed? The image, which is nothing but the frame that we are capturing, and win stride. We need to specify the stride, the padding, and the scale. All these are to be specified, and they are going to be the parameters for the method. Now we need to draw the rectangle over and above the people who are detected, who are the pedestrians, and we got x, y, w, h, the right, left, top, bottom. We need to specify that, right? So the rectangle is now drawn with all these coordinates, and this is it. We have now detected the pedestrians, we have drawn the rectangle over them, but I want to add and overlay some text over it saying that these are the people who are walking or walkers here, something like that. For example, in a traffic application or traffic light application, or in an automobile application, you need to flash a message, people are walking, so stay calm. So that kind of messages can be added. Overlaying is done now with the text to perform that, and I'm going to do that. Now how do we do it? Font is equal to cv2 dot font underscore heshe underscore simplex. We have got multiple other fonts available, and you can use simplex, duplex, triplex, complex. Many fonts are available. Just pick it up on whichever you like. Now the next line is very simple, where we need to go with cv2.putText. The method is putText, where you can specify which is the video feed that you want to overlay the text with, and what is the text that you want to specify. Walkers here is the text that I want to specify. Where exactly you want the text, the coordinates, the font size and the thickness, the color of the font, all these are specified clearly here. And the color of the font is specified with BGR. You can see 155B, 0G and 155R again. So you can vary that value to get different color combinations as well. So once this is done, we are all set to show the final output, and cv2.imshow will help you. So when do we stop the process? How do we quit it? We can code for that as well. And when I press small s, I mean the lowercase s, the function will be over, the process will be over, and you can quit. Then you need to release the cap, and destroy all windows method is called. That's all. The process is as simple as that, and I'm going to run it for you right now so that you can understand how things work. You can see that I pressed it couple of times quickly, I think. So you can see that the walkers here message, whatever I have embedded, the text is coming. and all the walkers, all the pedestrians are correctly identified in the video feed through the code that we have written. It's all done through OpenCV methods, and it's very simple. And you need to use the inbuilt methods, and Hog is the one that we used here. And that's it. It's very simple and easy for you to understand as well as to build it yourself. I hope you like the content and you like my channel. If you like it, please go for subscription and refer it to your friends as well. Thank you very much for following my channel and the content. Thank you.